Well, it's playtime, and we are going to take a little bit of this off here. He says he's tired of this going into his food. So I'll check back with you in a second. A little bit of cut. All right, so what do you think?
I think he's short.
I think he looks better. I like that. I think it makes him look younger and looks like he's lost weight and everything, but it's my own personal opinion. Some people like the Santa Claus look, though. Well, it's another cold, snowy day. It's snowing outside today, and we've already fed the animals this morning, and we're back in where it's nice and warm.
That's right.
Yeah, some of this cold stuff is a young man's game, isn't it?
That's also right.
Hope everybody out there is staying nice and warm. Hard to get too much done out there on the farm, but we're getting a little here and there done still. But feeding the animals each day is a task in itself, especially, tromping through the snow and braving those temperatures.
That one needs redone.
Brent's working on some of his doors that he's creating for a cabinet. He's not happy with that door. But doing it outside, keep the sawdust outside. Gonna have to sand it. He did some filler. He's getting pretty good at the woodcraft.
Well, it's supposed to be warmer today, above freezing. So a lot of the snow and ice will start melting. Hopefully it'll be gone by tomorrow. But, I mean, there's only so much we can do today. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna clear out the rabbit barn, get all the manure out and put in the compost pile, and we'll see what else we do. Of course, we gotta take care of the animals, which the ones here are already taken care of, so we'll see what else we're gonna do today.
He was parked up here by the house, and during his visit, it slid down.
Yeah. Look, Grandma, it's an eye.
I know, you stay up here so Daddy can see what he can do. Ginger, come here. Fun times in the winter. Be careful.
Careful.
We hope you enjoyed watching Chamberlain Family Farms. You can contact us at chamberlainff@gmail.com. You can also check us out on Facebook, Chamberlain Family Farms. We hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe.